Isn't it difficult for a child who's 15 to 16 years of age to decide on one's career and finalize subjects? Aren't they all confused? How do you help them with exploration, a visualization of careers? If I'm a child, I'm thinking I want to be a doctor, but I have not really seen doctors working. I'm thinking I want to be an automobile engineer. It's some vague idea that I love automobiles and hence I should be an automobile engineer. Yeah. A lot of times students are choosing because they love a certain subject area. So, how do we go about doing it? By giving them opportunities so that they can actually dip their hands into various activities so that that career becomes clear in their mind. Visualization of that career becomes clear in their mind. Example, Moneybhai by Money Control. So it's a stock market game where you get 1 crore rupees and you can play stock market, buy, sell, and you'll understand about stock markets, little about finance, companies, and so on. And that area is not at all open in their mind except for very few children. Second, Python. You can do it from w3schools.com, and it's a free site. So you could do cybersecurity also and a couple of other things if a child is interested. Third, entrepreneurship. Let the child watch movies like The Founder. It's all about McDonald's. The Social Network. It is about Facebook. Let them go for entrepreneurship camps like EDI Ahmedabad. And yeah, TYE program, like it's happening at IIT Delhi. TYE is done by TIE Delhi, which is the largest group of entrepreneurs in India as well as across the world. And then check out outschool.com. Outschool has amazing courses, amazing training programs for school students. That's why the name Outschool. It's a Y Combinator incubative venture, and at any time there are 1 lakh plus courses on it for people who are interested in history, people interested in pol science, geography, sciences, maths, life skills, careers, everything. Do check out Outschool. Okay, lot of summer camps are there. If I'm a child interested in law, maybe I can go for a summer camp to OP Jindal. It's called Aspire Summer Camps. It's on law and public policy. Center for Civil Society does a camp on public policy. Similarly, you can look at B Singular. They're doing a camp which is a tech camp. So a lot of understanding of 3D printing, robotics, IoT, AI, ML. Transog is a company which is providing training plus internship on ML, machine learning that is. Similarly, you can look at young technology scholars of Plaksha University. So if I'm a student, I'll do all these camps and try to understand whether I'm really for it or I should look at something else. And then I would understand various emerging career options also. You know, if I can travel somewhere and attend a camp, it's all the more better. So ADIS summer camp is at Ahmedabad. Symbiosis has a camp, very good for management students, which is there at Pune. I can travel internationally. I can go to Cornell. One of my students, Hirsch, did a camp last year, which was a maths-based camp because he was just interested in maths. So I have students who have traveled to UC Berkeley, USC, Imperial College London, LSC, and a lot of other places for summer camps. We need to help children plan all this, and then they can taste this, choose, and be very successful. So parents, you would need to help them, in this journey. They are young, ready to fly, but they would need your guidance. So my appeal to parents is be in touch with us. We have a lot of videos on YouTube also to help you out. Do have a look at it. And we are running a career resource center with Birla Vidya Niketan Saket, where our counselors are present on a regular basis, and we keep on doing career counseling. So I look forward to having you in our next parents orientation workshop also. Thank you.